Something very interesting just happened. The same creators who threatened me for sharing Avata 360 specs, the ones who told me I was wrong, the ones who pushed to have my videos removed, they just deleted their own videos and then re-uploaded them, trimmed, edited, with specific sections cut out. Now, why would a creator delete a video, edit it, and re-upload it with sections removed? Unless those sections contained information their sponsor did not want public. Think about that for a second. They came after me for sharing specs I decoded from leaked images, and then quietly scrubbed the same specs from their own footage. That is not a coincidence, that is confirmation. So today, we are going through every spec that got scrubbed, because we already saw it, and you deserve to know what they tried to hide. Let me lay this out clearly so everyone understands the full picture. I sent units to selected creators back in December. Under strict NDA agreements, they could show the drone, they could talk about the design and flight experience. They could not share specs until March 26th launch day. When those creators posted their first impression videos, like some of them accidentally left in footage that revealed spec information, screen recordings, settings, menus, resolution displays, details that were visible in their own footage that they did not catch before uploading. I watched those videos carefully. I decoded what was visible. I shared it with you. Those creators then came after me. Copyright claims, threats, my videos got removed. But here's what happened next. DJ, I apparently reviewed what their own sponsored creators had posted and did not like what they saw either. Because the creators started pulling their videos down. Not because of anything I did. Because their own footage had leaked the specs that were supposed to stay hidden until the 26th. They re-uploaded with those sections trimmed out. The irony is complete. They threatened me for sharing information that was visible in their own videos, and then proved I was right by deleting the evidence. So let us go through everything that was visible before the edits, because we saw it, and the deletion confirms it. 8K 60 frames per second. This was visible in screen recordings from multiple first impression videos before they were trimmed. The recording settings display showed it clearly. I officially confirmed 8K as the headline spec, but 60 frames per second at 8K was the detail that appeared in the footage and disappeared from the re-uploads. That is a significant spec. 8K 30 frames per second is impressive. 8K 60 frames per second is a different tier of capability entirely. For 360 footage that gets reframed in post, higher frame rates mean smoother motion, better slow motion options, more flexibility. This is not a minor detail. This is a headline feature that DJI apparently wanted to announce on their own terms on March 26th. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, visible in the interface layout and flight behavior shown in original footage, trimmed from the re-uploads. I called this from the RC2 leaked image weeks ago. The UI layout was consistent with active obstacle sensing. The footage confirmed it. The deletion reconfirmed it. The Avata 2 had no obstacle avoidance. The Avata 360 has full omnidirectional sensing. That is one of the most significant upgrades in the entire Avata lineup history, and I wanted to save it for launch day. LiDAR sensor, referenced in original footage during hover and precision landing demonstrations. Gone from the edited versions, LiDAR on a consumer FPV drone is not a standard feature. It places the Avata 360 in a different technical category from anything else in this price range. Single lens mode, resolution, and frame rate options. The original footage showed the settings menu in single lens mode with resolution and frame rate options visible, trimmed. This tells us the single lens mode specifications are either more impressive than expected or different from what DJI wants to lead with before the official spec sheet drops. The storage situation. File size indicators and a remaining storage displays were visible in original recordings. Gone from the re-uploads. Based on what was visible, internal storage capacity and file size behavior suggest this drone is generating significantly larger files than the Avata 2, which points toward the high capacity internal storage we predicted. I want to step back from the specs for a moment because there is a bigger story here. What just happened is a window into how DJI manages its launch ecosystem. Creators receive units under NDA, they agree to embargo specs until launch day, they post content. Some of them accidentally reveal more than they should. DJI notices, the creators quietly clean up their footage. Anyone outside that system who shared what was visible gets pressured to remove their content. The system is designed to control the information flow around a launch. Sponsored creators are part of that system, whether they think of themselves that way or not. This channel is not part of that system. I do not have a DJI sponsorship. I do not have an NDA. I am not going to have my next video shaped by what a brand wants me to say or not say. And as of March 26th, I will have the Avata 360 in my hands in China. No embargo, no sponsor to answer to. Everything I find goes straight to you. The specs they tried to hide are the specs I already told you. Come back on the 26th and see how the full picture compares to everything we predicted. Let me close with the complete picture as it stands right now. 8K 60 frames per second video recording, confirmed through official announcement and now doubly confirmed by the footage that got scrubbed. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, confirmed through RC2 leak interface analysis and original creator footage before edits. LiDAR sensor, confirmed through original footage demonstrations before trimming. Rotating camera mechanism protecting lenses on takeoff and landing, confirmed and still visible in re-uploaded content. Replaceable lenses at 21 euros each, confirmed. Single lens mode for standard drone shooting, confirmed. Full compatibility with RC2, RC Motion 3, Goggles N3, and Goggles 3, confirmed. Approximately 18 minutes real-world flight time, predicted from RC2 battery math, pending verification on March 26th. Drone only at 459 euros, global launch April 9th, China launch March 26th, where I will be. Every major spec on this list was either decoded from a leaked image, visible in creator footage before it got trimmed, or officially confirmed. The deletion of those videos did not hide the information, it confirmed it. They tried to take the information down. It did not work. Everything we told you about this drone, the specs, the features, the capabilities, it is all still here. And in a few days, the official launch will confirm the rest of it. March 26th, China launch, I will have it. The full honest review is coming to this channel before most of the world can even order one. Subscribe and hit the bell, because the launch video is going to be the most important Avata 360 video on YouTube, and it is coming here first. Drop in the comments which spec surprised you the most after everything that has come out, and does knowing that creators trim this information from their own videos change how you think about sponsored drone content? I want to know what you think.